Hello everybody, my name's John, a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video recipe. And in this quick one I'll show you how to make the perfect roast potatoes in your conventional oven this time. These crispy golden roast potatoes are an absolute must on any roast meat dinner, but they're especially nice on your Christmas dinner table. And I'll also give you a little advice on how to prepare them the day before, so all you have to do on the day is to roast them. You can see the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. And the link to that page and lots more is in the description box under the video. Just find and click on the word more, and that'll give you access to all the relative links for this video, including our website store products. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Okay, in the UK I like to use either Maris Piper or King Edward potatoes for my roasties. So do a little research and find a good roasting potato to use where you live. Right, I'll start by getting them peeled. Most potatoes are pre-washed these days, but if there's any soil on, just give them a quick wash first. Once peeled, the best cooking size to cut them is 3 to 4 centimeters. That's 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inch pieces. Now this will ensure good colour on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside. And at this size, out of 1 kilogram, that's 2 1/4 pound of potatoes, you should have enough for 6 to 8 people. When they're all cut, get them into a pan. Now give them a quick rinse and just cover them with cold water. Now add a ½ teaspoon of salt to the water. Right, over to the stove. Get the pan on the heat and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn down the heat low and let those slowly boil for 7 minutes. Okay, while those potatoes are parboiling, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6. For my roasties I like to use beef dripping. There's the block you can use. It also comes in jars. But it's this Wagyu beef dripping that I'm going to use today. It's a bit more expensive, but the flavour is well worth it. And you could also use duck or goose fat. For a vegan option, simply use a neutral tasting oil like sunflower or vegetable oil. Right, that's my Wagyu dripping in a deep roasting tin. So get it into the oven. That'll take about 5 minutes to get to the correct temperature. Okay, get a colander ready in your sink. When the time's up on the potatoes, carefully pour them into the colander and let them drain. Now give them a gentle shake to roughen up the edges of the potatoes. That'll make the finished roast potato much crispier. And let them cool a little while the fat is still heating up. Okay, if you're prepping these to roast the next day, this is the point where you stop. Let them completely cool, then get them into the fridge where they'll happily sit. So all you have to do is to pop them into the oven in the next day or two. Okay, get your hot fat out of the oven and onto the stove top. The fat should be slightly smoking. Now very carefully tip the potatoes into the hot fat. You should hear a very satisfying sizzle. Right, using a couple of forks, gently turn every potato so they all get coated in the fat. As this is a relatively short video, I'll do the name splash and shout out in the next video later this week. Now you can season with sea salt and black pepper. Right, get those into the hot oven, which to remind you is set to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6. Now set your timer for 45 minutes. Okay, time's up on these outstanding roasties. If you want yours a little darker, just leave them in an extra 10 minutes. But these look perfect for me. They look, smell and sound absolutely amazing. Once you've finished admiring them, carefully transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to soak up any excess fat. And while I'm transferring those gorgeous roast potatoes, why not get up to date and join in all the fun with everything that's happening on the channel by joining our monthly newsletter. There'll be a link in the description if you want to check it out. After a couple of minutes, get them into a serving bowl. And if you do have these for your Christmas or any dinner really, make sure you make plenty because they will disappear very quickly. And you can actually hear how light and crispy they are. Okay, time to give one a try. And they're really crispy on the outside, soft, light and fluffy on the inside. My wife and I have a tradition every Christmas Eve. After all the work's done and all the presents are wrapped, we relax with a late evening meal of roast pork and these wonderful roast potatoes. And we've done that every year for the last 40 years. And that's because they're absolutely delicious, and I really hope you give these a try. A big thumbs up for this one, guys. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.